Okay, just a little quick video here. We're at 5-star engines. A little progress on the V12 build. It's starting to come together better and faster, so just want to keep you guys up to date on things. All right, the first order of business was to deliver a few more things to Ed, specifically the exhaust manifolds and carburetor, an intake manifold, good enough for testing purposes. And Ed had already rounded up the break-in oil, and also the new starter has been installed, or at least attached, not completely installed. So these are things we need to set up to start getting ready to turn all the moving parts. And I guess with a flathead you can say it's all the parts, because the head itself doesn't have any moving parts, so we can make sure there's no issues with anything of these moving pieces and the rotating parts of the engine. I'll grab a baseball glove. I'll be ready to catch a valve. Oh. Apparently you sourced those rings we were looking for. Wasn't there the last oil ring or something that was hard to find?
Yeah, we got it.
You got it all worked out. Excellent.
I don't need the fuel pump here, do I? No.
Hey, thank you for coming along. Thank you for subscribing. Also, I just want to note, those of you may be subscribing to just the playlist that has the 1938 Zephyr Project, which is very popular, but it's not the only thing going on. Someone thought we had 37 videos up, because there's about 37 videos right now related to that particular project, but we actually have closer to 100 videos currently posted on YouTube and growing. So we're excited about the growth of the channel. We're excited about all the new projects that are still coming up that we're getting prepared for. But please stay with our channel here and continue to comment. I love hearing from people, like people from Holland working on a Zephyr out there and not having access to too much information locally. And we have people from England and all around the world, so it's really awesome. It's a lot of fun, this new world of YouTube. But thank you for subscribing and watching, and we do appreciate you. We really do.